Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today we are going to be talking all about eyebrows. So how to groom your eyebrows and how to apply some eyebrows. So we're first going to start with grooming the eyebrows. Now, I've already groomed my eyebrows, so I'm just going to show you how I like to go about grooming them, but I'm not actually going to do anything to them. Okay, first I'm going to start by marking out where I want to pluck the brows. So I'm going to take a lip liner actually to mark it out. So I'm going to take from my side of my nose all the way up here. So that's where, like that, and then that's where that first line is where I'm going to start. And then from the side of the nose through the pupil above the arch of the brow, and from the side of the nose through this part of the eye there. So that's the 3 marks that we have so far. I'm going to quickly do the other side. And what we can do, I'm going to take, and then you take concealer. This one is from ColourPop. This is the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer. And I'm going to take some of this on the back of my hand and then actually use a brush. I'm going to take the Morphine Ariel brush number A19 and start kind of tracing along the brow on where we applied the lip liner. So just in that area. Same thing to the other brow. Like I said, I just plucked my eyebrows, so I don't really need to do anything to it right now. But I'm going to take my tweezers now and pluck anywhere where there is concealer. So that, just only where there is the concealer. Okay, I'm going to remove this since I don't actually need to pluck, but once you're done plucking, just remove the concealer anyway. So now I'm going to show you some of my favorite products to use when filling in my brows. So my number one favorite thing to actually use is a brow pencil. I love this one from Benefit. This is the Precisely My Brow Pencil. This one is in shade 2. I love to use this with a brow pen like this one. This is the NYX Brow Tint Pen, Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen in taupe. I love this combination. It's just amazing. And then I love to also sometimes use this for a more natural everyday look or a no makeup look. I love to use a brow powder. This one is from Jafra. This is the Jafra Brow Powder Duo, and this is actually in dark blonde. It's another really great one. I love to finish off with a brow gel. So these are my 2 brow gels that I have. This is the Benefit my 24-hour brow setter. This one I use a little bit more than this one. I want to get the clear of this one. This is the NYX the brow glue. This one is in taupe. Again, I want to get I think they have a clear one, I'm not sure. I want to get the clear one of this one. But today we are actually just going to do the brow powder because I feel like the brow powder, using a brow powder is totally beginner friendly. So this is the brow product that we're going to use today. So the first step is to brush up the brow hairs. So what I like to do, I like to utilize both of these shades. So I'm going to start with the lighter shade in the front end of the brow, and then on the tail, I'm going to use the darker shade. So I'm going to use the Morphine Ariel brush number 153. I'm going to take the lighter shade and just start to fill in the brows. What sometimes really helps is a brow stencil, especially for beginners. That's super easy to use, but I can't find mine. I was going to use it for this video, but I couldn't find it. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other brow. I think my favorite type of brow is the 50s brow. It just looks so classic and just my favorite type of brow. It's like round at the top, or round at the start of the brow, and then on the tail, really, really thin. Okay, then what I like to do is I like to switch to the spoolie and just brush it through. I like to go in between, even if it's a brow pencil, I like to fill it in, switch to the brow spoolie if the brow pen, or why do I keep saying brow pen? Brow pencil has a spoolie, I can just do that. Actually, we're gonna go a little bit further, maybe like right in the center of the eye. We'll stop with the lighter shade, and then the tail, we can do the darker shade. Now we can do the darker shade. I'm first going to brush it through. Now we're gonna do the darker shade in the tail of the brow. And then I like to go in with my brow gel. I'm going to take the Benefit Precise 24-hour brow setter to set the brows. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one.